Hi guys, I'm in a new place, so I wanted to do a video for you guys of a card like this. It's a manly hunting style card, and it's pretty simple, so I just wanted to share how I make it, and you can do different variations of it. I'll tell you a few of them. Okay, let's get started. Okay. So, I wanted to show you a few things we're going to be using. First of all, the reindeer comes from this set right here. There's the die. It's by Hampton Arts, right there. It comes with stamps and a reindeer cutout. This is actually a Christmas set, but I've been using it for hunting, so for any season, birthday, thank you, anything else. So it's a great set to have for all kinds of occasions for men. And then another die I'm going to be using today is Thank You. This is what it looks like, by Anna Griffin. Let me put it down so you can see it. Let's put it on white, that way you can see it better. But it came with a set from her, so I really like it. It's really pretty, I thought. And this is the paper I'm going to be using from Joann's. It's only $1.99, which is a great deal. I can't remember where the price is, but oh, right there. So it's only $1.99, and you get different colors of wooden, worn out paper, which is awesome. I love this paper. You get 8 different colors and 24 sheets in it. For that price, it's absolutely amazing. It's a little bit bigger than what you need on top of a card, so you can always trim it and use the leftovers for other projects. Okay. So, let's start with the background. So, I just trimmed it to make it fit on my card base, like that. Let's ink it up, that way it has some time to dry. And since it's manly, I'm going to make it a little bit rough. I'm not going to be careful about the edges being really nice and soft and beautiful. I want it to be a little bit rough, worn out, that kind of thing. Don't overdo it. You can always add more, but you can't take it out. So think about it that way. So that's pretty good. Let's put this aside, let it dry, while we're going to do other stuff. Oh, and I'm using Tim Holtz vintage photo ink. These are this color is my favorite. I use it for all kinds of different things. Okay, so let's do the reindeer. This is a 3.5 by 3.5 square. Why I cut it bigger than what I need? Because I can actually use the leftover for a different card. So let me cut this out and I'll show you different things that you can do with it. Let me cut this out. And I know it's not going to be perfect, but as close as you can to making it right in the center of that paper. And one cut is more than enough for it to cut. So here's the leftover. Right there. Do you see what I'm talking about? how you can use the leftover. It looks perfect just like that also. But today we're going to be using the actual head, which is cut out. So we got that ready. We got the words. I already die cut it out, the thank you words. They're going to match the brown head. And then we're going to do the leaves that are on here. Okay, so we got that. We got the words, we got the background paper, and now we're going to be doing the leaves. So these leaves, I didn't have the right color paper that I wanted. So what I did, I used a marker on them. But here's another idea of how to color a sheet of paper that you want it to be green, but you don't have that color. So what I do is just take an ink. This one's a color box one, but take an ink and that you like, the green one, and just ink up your paper. This is a leftover that I had, and for die cutting you don't need to start a huge new paper unless you really want to, but I try to reuse the paper that I have. So I had these yellow greenish, like lime green or something like that color, and so I'm just gonna ink this up. Make sure you have something in the back that will protect the surface you're working on, like this beautiful desk that I have. I actually originally bought it for sewing, but now I'm using it for something else. But that's how you do it. See how now it's green instead of the yellowish color. We're gonna let that dry, and so what I went ahead and already did one earlier, so it had the chance to dry, and I actually already die cut it. I have this leaf die cutting. It's not big. That's about the size of it, so it's not very big, but it's perfect. So you just put it on the paper and die cut it out. I'm not gonna die cut because I already did that earlier. That way I don't have to. You don't have to watch me poke it out and take it out. But so that's already done also. So now, what we're gonna be doing? So we're gonna take the card. We're gonna use score tape to glue the background down, and then you will need some pop-up dots for the head. Use as many as you like. I prefer to have quite a bit everywhere. That way when the card is looked at many times, it will not start warping. So I'll put quite a few on the back. And then what I've also done is I've taken some scissors and I will cut one in half. This way you can put some here also. Because when the reindeer head is going to be on the card, you want to make sure it's on there quite securely. So let's cut one more part for the other horns that he has, or whatever they're called. Okay, so this will go up here. This will go right there. Okay, good. See, so I have quite a few on there. See, some may think it's too much, but I want to make sure it's on there well and it will not come off. And so then I would glue the head on first, Actually, I want the paper the other way, this way. On there. And then so that would go right about there. And then the leaves, you just start lining them up right under the head, just like that, and gluing them on. That's one, and then we'll do the other one a little bit in a different direction, but so that they're going like that. And then just glue your words at the bottom. You can do them in black, but I decided to match my words. And there you go. That would be your card right there. Like I said, what you can do is instead of using this variation right there, you can go ahead and use this. Just put it on pop-up dots, and then you can do the wooden pieces coming right out from here. The greenery thing, you can have them come right from under something of this sort. If you want to make a second one, this way you're not wasting paper and you have two cards already made for you. So there you go. Which one you like better? The first version with just the head, or this one with the cutout? So it depends who you're making it for and what. Everything else is pretty much the same. This one just says happy birthday, this one says thank you. But you can do thinking of you, you can do just a note to say hello, and anything else you can want to say, I love you, or whatever the occasion might be why you would like to make a card. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can post them below. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you for joining me. Bye.